Every lithium-nickel-manganese-cobalt oxide cathode powder in every EV battery cell starts as a precursor mixture loaded into a stacked silicon carbide saggar, fired at 900 degrees Celsius in oxygen, with lithium hydroxide vapor escaping through the central bore. The kiln plates carry the entire cathode load through 300 cycles. Contamination-free, dimensionally stable, ready for the next batch. 4 engineering metrics anchor cathode material sintering duty. Maximum service temperature reaches 1350 degrees Celsius. Comfortably above the 700 to 950 calcination window for lithium-nickel-manganese-cobalt oxide, lithium-nickel-cobalt-aluminum oxide, and lithium-iron phosphate cathodes. Thickness stability stays within plus or minus 0.2 mm across 300 and more cycles, preserving the saggar-stack geometry that controls heat distribution. And the silicon carbide matrix contains 0 magnesium and aluminum, the contamination species that destroy cathode electrochemical performance when shed from cordierite or mullite kiln furniture. 2 grades cover the cathode sintering workflow. Reaction-bonded silicon carbide delivers cost-effective performance for large plate geometries up to 1350 degrees Celsius, the dominant grade for high-throughput cathode active material calcination kilns. Nitride-bonded silicon carbide handles the lithium-vapour-rich atmosphere of high-nickel NCM811 and single-crystal cathode synthesis. Both grades preserve cathode purity at the sub-ppm level that battery manufacturers require for consistent cell performance. Standard kiln plate thickness ranges from 6 mm for lightweight roller hearth designs through to 50 mm for heavy load pusher kiln carriers. Custom plate shape, central evacuation bore diameter, corner post height, and stack layer count are machined from kiln car design drawings. Every cathode chemistry and every kiln type requires its own saggar-stack geometry to optimize lithium-vapour management and kiln volume utilization. The 3-layer assembly shown here is a complete CAM kiln car deck built for a specific cathode production line. Inside an EV battery cathode production line, the silicon carbide saggar-stack carries lithium transition metal precursor powder through roller hearth and pusher kilns at 700 to 950 degrees Celsius in oxygen-rich atmosphere. The lithium hydroxide reacts with nickel, cobalt, and manganese oxides to form the layered NCM or NCA crystal structure that stores and releases lithium ions inside every battery cell. 3 things determine whether the cathode line delivers production economics over its service life. First, cathode purity. The silicon carbide matrix contains no magnesium, no aluminum, no alkali. The contamination species that cordierite and mullite kiln furniture shed into the cathode at sub-ppm levels and poison electrochemical performance. Second, cycle durability. Silicon carbide kiln plates survive above 300 calcination cycles against 30 to 50 for cordierite, an order of magnitude life advantage that converts saggar inventory from monthly consumable to multi-month capital asset. And third, lithium-vapour management. The central evacuation bore and multi-deck post-assembly geometry at lithium hydroxide vapor exit cleanly and oxygen circulate through the powder bed, producing the uniform calcination that defines consistent cell capacity. Together, these properties make custom silicon carbide kiln plate saggar-stacks the standard kiln car configuration for every major NCM, NCA, and LFP cathode production line worldwide.